What's up, LHS? Welcome to episode 1 of season 10 of the Bear Broadcast. I'm Blake Isaacs.
And I'm Matt Fouts. Now, let's get into some announcements. The yearbook pictures are up in the English wing, so you need to come check your name and your picture. If anything's misspelled or you have the wrong picture, make sure to see Mrs. Myers by this Friday.
Any sophomore who'd like to be a prom server needs to come pick up an application in Miss Morgan's room, and applications are due by the end of this Friday.
Any LHS student who plans on graduating after this year can get their cap and gown delivered to them next Wednesday or Thursday in the main office lobby during any lunch shift. Make sure you bring $30 cash so that you can pay for it.
This is a reminder to all students that you guys should always carry your student IDs because it has your athletic pass on it, and also it's going to help you get in and out of the school, so don't forget it.
That's all of the announcements that we have for you today, so let's get right into the show.
What's up, LHS? Welcome to the Berry Wheel Challenge. I'm Sal Scagnoli, and I'm here with Matt Fouts and Blake Isaacs. Today, we're going to have some students spin the wheel and do some challenges. Come on! Who wants to spin the Berry Wheel? Liam Gay, do you want to spin the Berry Wheel? Come on. Get over here. All right. This is Liam. Hi. Go ahead and spin the wheel, big man. Five. Okay. Find 5 seniors in 25 seconds. Go, 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 go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Five. Come on, come on. Go, 5. Come on, find 5. Ask them. 25 seconds, come on. Time's running out. Time's running out. Time's running out, come on. He's failed. Come on, let's go back. Find a new one. Nice try. See you later. Jonathan Nyes. This is a good friend of mine. I bet that card. Go ahead and spin the wheel.
Oh, that's big money, baby.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Wait. 11. Who's your favorite teacher? Oh, no, least favorite teacher. All right, who else would like to spin the Berry Wheel? Oh, it's 11 again. So, who's your least favorite teacher?
My mom.
All right. I know you wanna. Come on, I see you. I know you're looking over here. I know you want to. Come on, man. You know you want to do it. I see it on your face. I know you want to spin it. Oh man, go ahead and give it a spin. 7. Woo. Name 5 LHS basketball players in 15 seconds.
Noah Lane, Evan Hassett, Caleb Cook, Eli Pearson.
Yeah.
Ron Alvarado.
Nice, he did it. Give it up. Give it up for Ethan. Woo! Let's get it, Roberto. Give her a spin. That's what I'm talking about, with power. 10. Let's see. Who's your favorite teacher?
You're my favorite teacher.
Thanks, big man. Give her a spin, Parker. 12. Would you shut up? Get someone to take a shoe off in 20 seconds.
Hey, bro.
Dude, come here. Take off your shoe right now. Get it off, get it off. Unlace it, come on, get it off. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. All right, passing period's almost ended. I think we're running out of people. You guys are late. Get moving, get moving. Come on. Sheesh. What?
Hello and welcome back to Student Conversations, first episode of 2020, season 10. It's a show where I can have conversations with the students. It's in the name. Come on. Today's conversation is, are the Olympics really that important? Personally, I believe that they're not too important, but how do you feel about this?
Rocket League.
I thought he was going to say Tesla, but
Elon Musk.
there we go. That's what we needed.
I mean, like, I don't know. They're cool to watch. I don't think they're important, but like, yeah, they don't do anything for like the community. Like
They're very important.
Very important.
why is that?
It's the Olympics.
All right, apparently we've got another no from somewhere out there in the ether. Okay, sir. Are the Olympics really that important?
Not really, because, like, by any standards, it's just showing you that, stuff you can't do. And it's so overrated, and we blow so much money on it that, honestly, we could be putting into our education systems or something, man.
Student conversations,
Tesla.
Tesla.
Is anything really that important? Oh, that was kind of fun though.
Like, I couldn't argue against it because the logic was just so foolproof. Let's answer the question. Peer pressure, answer the question.
Answer the question.
Answer it.
Sports.
He said sports. No one wants to be on it. And now we've got an empty hallway. That was student conversations. We're about to head out.
Tesla.
Tesla.
The number one goal that we have for an administration, for our administration, is to make sure that we do things that have never been done before, while also not reinventing the wheel. So accomplishing things that have never been accomplished before and making Logansport successful. That's our number one goal. So we cannot release any specific information, but we are wanting to revitalize the mall. We're wanting to bring it back to the way it was before, and I think that we're getting close to getting that done. So the youth needs to get engaged. You guys now have a young mayor, the youngest mayor in the history of the city of Logansport. Take advantage of it. We've got 4 years, get engaged. Come up to the office and say, hey, Chris, I want to help our community. What can I do? Those are the kind of things that we want to see. And that's why we have the Mayor's Youth Advisory Committee for that reason, so that we can also involve college students, and high school students and middle school students and the elementary school, so that as we grow up and they come through Logansport, they'll come back. Ignore it. So I was bullied a lot throughout my years in school. And the one thing that I always did and always learned how to do is to smile and move on. Sometimes you have to put blinders on, and those are the times when you get to put those blinders on, is when people are from your left and your right constantly coming at you and telling you you're doing something wrong, or you're not doing it the right way or the way they want you to do it. The best thing to do is to put the blinders on. So you just smile, wave, and continue on the path that you're on. Sure. So I was 15 years old and I joined a campaign in our community. And from there, it just kind of spurred from there my interest in knowing that, over the years as you grow up and you're starting to see that Logansport's really not changing, and we're electing the same people over and over again, you get that passion, like, come on, really? I would have done this or I would have done that, and then finally being able to have that opportunity to say, no, we are going to do it because we're going to do it together.
Hello, everybody. Today we're going to go around, ask some people just some questions. Let's go. What's the capital of Mars?
I don't know. What?
Is the Earth flat?
Is the what?
Is the Earth flat?
No, the Earth isn't flat.
I need a very insightful answer on something.
What's your question, DJ?
All right. Why is school so important?
Well, school is necessary to gain knowledge, right?
But why is knowledge important?
Well, knowledge is important to succeed in life. If you're not on a certain quest for knowledge constantly, what are you doing with your life? You know?
You heard it here from Neil, folks. Smartest man on the earth. Air?
Water.
Yes. Is water wet?
Do stairs go up or down?
They go both ways.
Then I guess water is wet.
You serious? Starkey's gonna love this. Are you working alone today? I work alone every day. Alrighty. If you had a genie, what would your wishes be?
Well, I want a Tesla, and I want some money.
Only 2 wishes.
I mean, a big house or something. Maybe to win an election.
Peanut brittle? Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Alright, get out my sight. No.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Barry Broadcast. Make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.